In the heart of the arid desert and under the blazing sun, Kuwait lacks water sources. Where wells and water from distant rivers at that time were the only method to get water. In addition, water transportation was carried out in primitive and difficult ways. With the difficulties and challenges of the past, a new dawn came with the discovery of oil and began the movement of development and renaissance and urbanization Kuwait. And to keep pace with this new era, Arabi Company was established in 1963 to be a part of the renaissance and development in the state of Kuwait. Since its inception, Arabi Company has provided the latest equipment, materials, and services in various sectors of the oil, gas, infrastructure, construction, civil, and electromechanical industries. It also provided various engineering solutions to suit the movement of development, renaissance, and construction, and it was the reliable partner of contractors in various sectors. Aluminum doors and windows. Oil and gas. Water and wastewater treatment. Construction chemicals and admixture. Contracting. Water utility and infrastructure. Drainage pipes, fire pipes, water supply pipes. Window cleaning machines. Aluminum curtain walls. HVAC. Landscape. Irrigation, water drainage. Construction supplies. Green walls. Water equipment. Drainage. Safety and firefighting. Water features. When the dream of yesterday becomes today, with a steady step, a sharp future vision, and continuous efforts for more than 55 years, Arabi Company was and still your reliable partner in achieving success. In favor of the rise, renaissance, and prosperity of the present and future Kuwait.